Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel HT Subject Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about Pi Day. To know more about Pi Day, stay tuned till the end of the video. Pi Day is an annual celebration of mathematical constant pi. Pi Day is observed on March 14th. Since 3, 1 and 4 are the first three significant digits of pi. In 2009, the United States House of Representatives supported the designation of Pi Day. UNESCO's 40th General Conference decided Pi Day as the International Day of Mathematics in November 2019. Pi Approximation Day is observed on July 22nd, 22 by 7 in the day or month format. Since the fraction 22 by 7 is a common approximation of pi, which is accurate to two decimal places and dates from Archimedes. 2 Pi Day, also known as Tau Day, for the mathematical constants tau is observed on June 28, 6 by 28 in the month or day format. Let's know the history of Pi Day. In 1988, the earliest known official or large-scale celebration of Pi Day was organized by Larry Shaw at the San Francisco Exploratorium, where Shaw worked as physicist with staff and public marching around one of its circular spaces, then consuming fruit pies. The Exploratorium continues to hold Pi Day celebrations. On March 12, 2009, the US House of Representatives passed a non-binding resolution recognizing March 14, 2009 as National Pi Day. The entire month of March 2014 was observed by some as Pi month. In the year 2015, March 14 was celebrated as Super Pi Day. It had special significance as the date is written as 3 by 14 by 15 in month, day, year format. At 9 is to 26 is to 53, the date and time together represented the first 10 digits of pi. Pi Day has been observed in many ways, including eating pie, throwing pies, and discussing the significance of the number pi due to a pun based on the word pi and pie being homophones in English, and the coincidental circular shape of many pies. Also, some schools hold competitions as to which student can recall pi to the highest number of decimal places. In 2020, some events were cancelled or modified due to COVID-19 concerns. Princeton, New Jersey hosts numerous events in a combined celebration of Pi Day and Albert Einstein's birthday, which is also March 14th. Einstein lived in Princeton for more than 20 years while working at the Institute of Advanced Study. In addition to pie eating and recitation contests, there is an annual Einstein look-alike contest. Pi Day has become an international holiday celebrated live and online all around the world. Happy Pi Day to all of you. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below for more videos. Thank you.